Hello guys, welcome back to my new video. I hope that you enjoy the last two video. Today is our same topic whatever we have read or study yesterday, and our book is Objective General English written by SP Baxi, and yesterday we have done the workbook exercise A and present indefinite tense, and today we will do workbook exercise number B, which is present continuous tense. Before starting my video, I'm saying you again to please subscribe my channels and like and share to your more friend to get daily updated. So let's start our workbook exercise. First we have to know what is present continuous tense. The present continuous tense is normally used for an action in progress that is temporary in nature or in the present at the time of speaking. For example, she is not working or she is swimming in the river. Next, it is also express future action or definite arrangement in the near future. For example, I am going to the cinema tomorrow, or she is coming next week. And we know that as present continuous tense structure is mr plus ing form. So we learn about present continuous tense. Now next come to our workbook exercise number B. Make the sentence using present continuous tense with a suitable form of verb given in the bracket. First number, she dash she chess with her friend. Here there are two verbs are giving, not work or play, so we use she is, as she is a singular subject, so we use she is not working. She is not working, she is playing chess with her friend. I'm repeating again, she is not working, she is playing chess with her friend. Now next come, she dash for America next year. Leave. Here singular, so we use subject, so we singular verb. So we here answer will be she is leaving for America next year. Now next come, what you dash at present I dash a poem. Here we know that we use what with the r, so here you cut and we use what are you reading at present. What are you reading at present, and the answer will be I am reading a poem. I repeat it again, what are you reading at present? I am reading a poem. Now next come fourth number, we dash lunch at 2 p.m. tomorrow as Ram dash a noon train. Here here verb is giving have catch. So we write we have a lunch at 2 p.m. tomorrow as Ram is catching a noon train. Here I repeated again. We dash lunch. I'm repeating again. We are having lunch at 2 p.m. tomorrow as Ram is catching a noon train. Next come 5 number. Meena usually does the cooking, but I dash it today as she isn't here. Meena usually does the cooking, but I, here verb is giving do, so we write Meena usually does the cooking, but I am doing it today as she isn't here. Now next come mother dash bath now as she always take bath at noon. Here verb is giving take. Mother is taking bath now as she always take bath at noon. Now next, I can't hear what you dash the neighbors dash too much noise. I can't hear what you are saying the neighbors. What are you saying? The neighbors are making too much noise. Here neighbors are plural, so we use plural. So we use are. The neighbors are making too much noise. Now next come, she still dash sing. She still she still is singing. Now next, she dash to Delhi tomorrow. Here goes. She is going to Delhi tomorrow. Now next come, she she dash to Delhi tomorrow. She is going to Delhi tomorrow. Now next come 10th and last number. She can't open the door because she dash clothes put on. Here we write she can't open the door because she is putting on clothes. No, our exercise has ended, so we have to know some more about present continuous tense. So let know additional uses of present continuous tense, as it is progressive. It is also known as progressive tense. Now, continuous tenses with always may express an idea which is not to the liking of the speaker. For example, she is always teaching her children. Second, he is always praising his friend. There are some of verbs which sometimes don't admit of progressive action. Such verbs are called non-progressive. We know that it is progressive, but there are also some verb like which is known as non-progressive. For example, verb of precipitations, like for example, see, taste, smell, hear, prefer, please. Second, verb of thinking process, like think, know, mean, mind. Third, verb showing possession, own, have, belong, comprise, possess, contain. Now next, verb expressing feeling or state of mind. For example, believe, like, love, want, wish, desire, hate. Now next, verb in general. For example, look, seem, appear, affect, resemble, coast, require, stand, face, become.